Saturday morning in the workshop, and what a great day. My son-in-law Michael and I get to spend the day together here. Our wives have gone away on a trip. You know, it doesn't make a father and a husband much happier than to see his wife and daughter go away together and have some fun. And my son-in-law actually wants to spend time with me. That's pretty good. So we're going to spend the day in the workshop. Mike's going to make a couple of Christmas presents. And he's actually doing me a favor right now. He's setting some blades that we're sharpening so we can do some more cutting in a sawmill. So in a few minutes, Michael and I are going to head back to the woods on our tractor and unload a load of brush and green from the garden that we have to get rid of. We're going to check some pictures on a trail cam, and other than that, we're going to spend the day out here in the workshop. So thanks for joining us, and we hope you enjoy this video.
See you later.
Michael's first time driving a tractor. So Mike, can you tell us what we're doing now, buddy?
Hey Paul, we're planing some wood, making cutting boards. This is cherry. The maple's already been planed. So here we go.
Awesome.
We'll start this on.
So Mike, what are we doing now, buddy?
We just finished ripping some cherry. Now we're going to rip some maple.
Awesome.
Alright, let's do it.
So you're all done cutting, Michael?
We're all done. They're going to look great.
So what's next?
We're ready to glue them up.
Perfect. Michael and I had a great day yesterday. We started out sharpening and setting some bandsaw blades, then planed some lumber, ripped some lumber, cut some strips to length, and Michael glued up these blanks. Oh yeah, we also went back to the woods and took some apples for some deer and swapped out some memory cards in a trail cam. So Mike, what was the best thing we did yesterday?
I think driving a tractor for my first time was pretty cool. Enjoyed that.
That's awesome. What are we going to do now, Mike?
Well, we're going to take these clamps off and then we're going to run it through the planer once more. Get it nice and smooth.
Perfect. Alrighty buddy, she's all yours. Have at her.
Alrighty.
It's going to be a little cooler in here today when we open up the door to run the planer.
I think you're right. Ah, she looks beautiful.
Awesome. What kind of wood is it, Mike?
It's cherry and maple. The dark pieces are cherry and the lighter pieces are maple.
Alrighty. Let's head off to the planer.
Sounds good.
Michael, they look turned out really well.
They sure
Right
do.
now. So what's next, buddy?
We're gonna cut them to length.
She's all yours. So Michael, what's the next step in this journey?
Looks like we're ready to round off the edges with the router.
Awesome. Okay, off to the router we go. Okay, Mike, so what's next?
All right, we're ready to put the finish on, and we're gonna use this product. It's Watco Butcher Block Oil. It's a food-safe product. Here we go.
Fantastic. Well, Mike, we've had a great weekend together. Congratulations, you did a really good job on these cutting boards. Whoever you're giving them to is going to get an awesome Christmas present.
I'm sure they'll be happy.
We had lots of fun. You got to use the table saw, the planer, the joiner, the sliding compound miter saw, the router, a sander. You drove a tractor for the first time.
Sure did.
We didn't get any shooting, and unfortunately, it's 20 after 12, and we have a family dinner that's 30 minutes from here, and we need to get showered and shaved and ready, so we're not going to have time to do any shooting, but maybe next time.
Next time for sure.
It's been an awesome weekend, buddy. I've sure enjoyed this time together. Thanks so much.
Had an awesome time.
You're a great son-in-law.
Thank you.
I really appreciate you. Glad you married my daughter. Alrighty. Sounds good, buddy.